How you can make your money work for you. The importance of making your money work for you. We often work hard to earn money, but it's equally important to make our money work for us. Instead of letting it sit idle, we can invest it wisely to grow and generate passive income. Here are some places where you can make your money to work. Stocks. By purchasing shares of companies, you earn dividends. Bonds. These fixed income provide regular interest payments and a return of principal upon maturity. Real estate. Investing in properties or real estate investment trusts, REITs, can generate rental income and potential appreciation. Mutual funds. Professionally managed funds that pull money from multiple investors to invest in a diversified portfolio. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, similar to mutual funds, but traded on stock exchanges like individual stocks. Those things compound your money. Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. It's the magic that happens when your investment earnings generate more earnings over time. By starting early and consistently investing, you can harness the power of compounding, which can significantly multiply your wealth in the long run. This concept is at the core of achieving financial independence. By managing your finances effectively, you'll have a solid foundation to begin making your money work for you.